Hi everybody, this is Lisa with Fuchsia Dolls. Today I'm going to Michael's and I'm taking you with me. So this is a little new to me, going into the store and filming some of the things I'm going to buy and presenting them to you. So if you want to see more of these shop with me days, just click above. I'm going to leave a poll link and that way I'll get to know if this is a good idea for me. But I really enjoy shopping. I try not to shop too much because I have plenty of craft supplies on hand at home, so it's better to use what you have at home to save you money. You know, you need more bang for your buck. So I am going to have the Traveler's Notebook released on Monday. I may be a little late for this trend, but that's okay. The Traveler's Notebook, I'm going to show you how to make one with a foam sheet, scrapbook paper, and Mod Podge. So I'm just gonna go pick up a few charms, more Mod Podge. I'm kind of hooked because I made a lot of Traveler's Notebooks in the past couple days, so I ran out of Mod Podge, and this is gonna be really fun and exciting. So come on, let's go to Michael's. Now I'm just gonna record a little bit while I'm in there, and then I'll show you in the end what I purchased. I found some keys here that's pretty much a value item just because of the price for the price. And you could create them into charms. Also, if you wanted to make necklaces for your Fuchsia dolls, the little keys will work great. Here I found the inserts for the Traveler's Notebooks. I'm going to show you in the end, so stay tuned. I grabbed a couple, and of course the Mod Podge, which I really needed. I used my coupon for that Mod Podge. Okay, so I just left Michael's, and I'm going to show you really quick what I was able to grab. I did end up grabbing the keys. I got the smaller kind of keys. You could put a jump ring and make this into a charm. I did grab these. These are 50% off, which I thought was a great price. And then in the same section, see they have little sayings, dream big, be inspired. In the same section, there is also some on clearance with little phrases. So this was $1.47. So if you go to the same charm section, you'll find some on clearance. Here are these beads were 50% off. So I really wanted to grab just two. These are $1.99 each. $1.99 each. A foam brush. I did end up grabbing the Mod Podge. Let me put these to the side so I can show you the other stuff that I grabbed. I grabbed these two little notebooks to make a mini Traveler's Notebook, more like a passport size. This, I do feel like it was worth the money. These were $2 for a 3-pack. And then I got this $2 each, which I feel this was a little pricey. I do feel like these inserts are pricey, especially if you have tons of paper and scrapbook paper at home. You can make your own inserts. I don't foresee me buying inserts, to be honest. And then this one I just splurged a little bit. This I do want to make a Traveler's Notebook this size, so I figured, okay, I'll buy this one. I used a coupon, and I would use this as a pockets. These are pockets, so these are reusable, and you won't be throwing these away as you use your notebook. So that's pretty much all that I bought today. I feel like I got a little carried away, but anyways, it was really fun. Thanks for joining me. And Monday, stay tuned because I'll be releasing my new YouTube tutorial and I can't wait. Okay, so see you soon. God bless. Bye-bye. Well, don't go just yet. I wanted to quickly show you a preview of my Traveler's Notebook. This tutorial will be ready on Monday. I added the inserts I just purchased at Michael's. I'm super excited, and I will be wrapping it up with some charms, and I'm going to go finish filming. Okay, well, we're done, and I'll see you Monday.